Good afternoon, ma'am. My research title is Students' Awareness on Choosing Their Future Career Paths, presented to Arellano University 1 Cosumulong Campus. Presented by Rona Jane Cancino, Grade 11, UMS 1. Introduction. The most important and distinctive aspect of life is to choose right career at the right time, and the basis of career development and progress laid down by Career One choices. Students, as an important part of any nation, necessarily should go through a process which appraise them with respect to the various career options, and the process criterion for those selection and the recruitment of their chosen career. Career selection is outlined over diverse courses and can be influenced by numerous factors or related with different variables. Goman and Schroeder 1989, Gordon 1995, Jones Orford and Her 1996. Students of South Asia region do not have any concept of career counseling, and while getting higher grade education, and majority of the students is not aware of their strength, aptitude, and their talents, were areas students of private or English medium schools have some better idea about career choices and counseling. Super suggests that career planning becomes significant during early adulthood, and during this time high school students enter a time their lives when seeking career information and becoming aware of their vocational interest is a major developmental task. The internal and external impact may be influenced the student's career choice, where areas students are mainly influenced by the profession of their parents, siblings, or other close contacts. Majority of students who have admission their favorite subject or educational institution follow the career paths in accordance to their academic majors, but unawareness about selection and recruitment process or criterion of their desired career can derail students from their career choices outcome. So it was important to examine the variables of career decision-making ability of students with perspective, the variables of career decision-making ability of students with perspective of awareness of selection and recruitment process, particularly for those choice outcome and career choice persistence. The awareness about selection and recruitment and have a substantiation for the career choice persistence. Therefore, this study evaluates the significance of awareness about selection and recruitment process in the student's career decision making in the connection. Statement of the problem. Student choosing a future career be described in terms of their own idea when it comes on choosing career. B. Their source of idea when it comes on choosing a career. C. The things, people, events that influence them. 2. What are the some problems encountered on choosing their future career path? 3. What are the preferences of students on their future career path in terms of personal interests, opportunity, steps to achieve that career? How's the effect of significant relationship between the student's preference and their future career path? What implication may be drawn from the result of the study to help the students to choose their career path? Instrument of the study. The researchers use a questionnaire depending on the statement of the problem of the study to ask the respondents regarding to the study. The researchers will do an interview by Google Docs and take a screenshot as a proof and evidence, and it use verify information gathered from written sources. The researchers is prohibited from appearing due to the implemented community quarantine they used to make an interview by online Google Docs. The researchers send the Google Docs to those students or respondents that they choose. Design. This study was descriptive in nature. It described the reasons why students choose career in aviation and determine their current status as completers or non-completers. stated that descriptive research is one of the basic types of educational research. Descriptive research, she wrote, is used to answer questions: what is happening, how is something happening, what is something happening, listed 4 seasons to classify the research method as descriptive research. Descriptive research involves collecting data in order to test hypotheses or answer questions concerning the current status of the subject of the study. Descriptive data are typically collected through a questionnaire, survey, an interview, or observation. Since one is generally asking questions that have not been asked before, instruments usually have to be developed for specific studies. A major problem further complicating descriptive research is lack of response, failure of subject to return questionnaires or attend scheduled meeting. European Scientific Journal, May 2014 edition, volume number 10. Therefore, we can infer that students from rural areas are less likely to prefer rational approach in career decision making. Multiple regression analysis results were also used. A regression and t-value to analyze the happiness career decision making is highly correlated and associated with other students. Key effect for those students' career decision making, indicating that the effect of students' career decision making is significantly higher for all predictors. The independent samples tests were also utilized for analysis of those hypotheses. Statistical analysis shows highly significant result of this result suggests that awareness about selection and recruitment process. Those similarly, awareness about selection and recruitment has significant effect on rational career decision. Recommendation. Some limitation and implication of this study were also